This is Ruthie Rocks. Excited to be here. Excited to be in beautiful Las Vegas. Another day in paradise. And we have some stats for you today. 20 days of inventory holding in there. We listed 129 homes yesterday and we closed 81. We're on the path to hitting 129 daily sales. And that gives us the 20 days of inventory. When you divide that into the 2,528 available homes, of which 1,869 are single families. And of those 477 are single family homes, 450 and under. And we just listed 34 of those price ranges yesterday. So life is bumping along here in Las Vegas, and we have $4.5 million homes flying off the shelf every day. Investors are buying 45 homes a day. And let's see what else is notable here. I think that the 129 is notable because I predict it's going to go over 130 by the end of the month. And we have a few more days. Next Thursday is the last day of the month. So next Friday, we shall see. That will be it. And next Thursday, we have a risk reduction class, just reminding you, if you want to go sign up for it, it's at bee.vegas. That's www.bee.vegas. Don't forget to sign up for the class.